There was a season in my life where I felt completely overlooked. I questioned if I had missed my moment, if I was too broken, too late, or too ordinary to be used by God. But one day, the Lord placed a word so strong in my heart, I knew I had to share it, especially with my sisters and my mamas. God reminded me, He didn't call me because I was perfect. He didn't choose me because I always made the right choices. He called me on purpose and for a purpose. That truth changed everything. I used to think I needed a perfect past or a platform to be useful. But God took me to the story of Jeremiah where He said, "Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you." That hit me deeply. God called me before the titles, the trauma, the mistakes, even the blessings. I wasn't His backup plan. I was His choice from the beginning. Then He reminded me of Esther, an ordinary girl turned queen. She wasn't a preacher or prophet, just available. And He used her mightily, or Rahab, a woman with a past. Yet because of her obedience, she became part of Jesus' lineage. Imagine that, a former prostitute in the bloodline of the Savior. If that's not redemption, I don't know what is. It hit me, God doesn't need perfect women, He uses willing ones. Yes, being called comes with a cost. Look at Mary. She was called highly favored, yet she carried the most misunderstood assignment ever to birth the Son of God. That really taught me that favor doesn't always feel comfortable, and calling doesn't always come with convenience. But Philippians chapter 1 verse 6 says, "He who began a good work in you will carry it to completion." That means even when I've had to start over, again and again, God hasn't changed His mind about me. I don't always feel qualified. Some days the calling feels heavy, but God whispered, "I trust you." And that changed my question from why me to use me. So if you're feeling like you're not enough, I want you to know you are not disqualified. You are not forgotten. You are called. No matter your age, your past, or your doubts, God placed something in you this world desperately needs. This is your wake-up call, your reminder, your permission to show up, speak up, grow, lead, and dream again. If this speaks to your heart, declare it out loud. I am called, and I will be the express image of everything God has created me to be. Let that confession be louder than your fear. Your calling still stands, and your life, it's just getting started. Amen.